Did you both have enough to eat? Come on, it's getting late.
Mommy! A train!
Welcome, travelers. Come, ride the sea of clouds.
Wow, it's so pretty!
Stay close to me, quickly. We need to get off this train.
What is this place?
Whoa, what's happening? Hold on, kids.
We're flying. We're really flying.
The world I knew was gone. And I was glad. Look, she's floating!
And the Rat Man has food.
Ready yourselves. We fly to the stars beyond.